This video will rewire how you think about every single dollar that passes through your hands. I devoured 66 books on money, investing, wealth, finance, and economics, so you don't have to. These 14 lessons shaved years off my journey to financial freedom, and they can do the same for you. Lesson 1. Your first $1,000 should never touch the stock market. Instead, invest in the only asset that can return 10,000%, your own skill set. Imagine two companies, one stagnant, one compounding knowledge every day. Which would you buy? You are both CEO and shareholder of U Inc. Pump value into that stock before any other. Pick a high-demand skill, coding, selling, design, whatever sparks curiosity. Buy a course, not crypto. 20 focused minutes a day beats any 10% market return. Lesson 2. Financial freedom is the gate. Getting rich is the mansion behind it. Freedom means your passive income covers every latte, rent payment, and spontaneous weekend trip. Picture owning a city center apartment, renting it out, and living on a Thai beach for a fraction. Once your time is yours, you can build the next unicorn without fear of missed paychecks. Lesson 3. Saving is the silent engine. Investing is just the shiny hood ornament. I once spent weekends burning through $100 on sushi, hoping my stocks would cover it. That single dinner erased an entire year of 10% gains on my measly $1,000 portfolio. Flip the script, tighten the budget first, then watch even modest returns compound without leaks. Lesson 4. Waiting for a higher salary is like waiting to lose weight before hitting the gym. Lifestyle creep devours raises faster than you can say direct deposit. Start with $3 a day, skip the bottled water. Let autopilot transfer it before you blink. Lesson 5. Time is the only non-renewable currency, not the dollars in your wallet. Waiting an hour for free $2 ice cream values your life at $2 an hour. Calculate your hourly worth, then outsource, delegate, or automate anything below that line. Lesson 6. Willpower fades after a long Tuesday. Systems endure every single day. Automate transfers the day your paycheck lands. Future, you cannot sabotage what present you locked away. Remove choice. Remove failure. Barry Schwartz proved too many options paralyze progress. Lesson 7. Every year you wait, compounding interest quietly packs its bags and leaves. Invest $100 monthly from 25 to 35, then stop. Your friend starts at 35 and invests for 30 straight years. You still end up 50 grand ahead. Time is the secret ingredient you cannot buy back at any price. Lesson 8. You can bat .420 in investing and still reach the Hall of Fame. Heinz Berggruen filled warehouses with art, 90% junk, 10% masterpieces funded his legacy. Warren Buffett owned 400 stocks, 10 made him a legend. Embrace the power law. Lesson 9. A harmless 1% fee quietly devours nearly 24% of your nest egg. Grandma gifts 100 grand to 2 grandkids. A single percent fee gap costs 400 grand by 65. Scrutinize expense ratios like a detective, because the small print steals the big money. Lesson 10. If an investment promises the moon, you will probably crash among the craters. Greed clouds judgment faster than fog on a windshield. Legitimate opportunities rarely knock with flashing neon signs. They whisper and fill up in back rooms. Lesson 11. A 15% credit card debt is a reverse investment bleeding you dry. Paying it off guarantees a risk-free 15% return. No stock can promise that. Merge your mental boxes. Debt payoff, investing, and saving are one holistic battlefield. Lesson 12. Elon Musk walks into your carpool, and suddenly the average salary is billions. Averages hide more than they reveal. Always ask for the median. the mode, the story behind the number. Lesson 13. Index funds are the ultimate bet on human ingenuity across the planet. 4,000 companies in one fund. If humanity prospers, so do you. Wars, pandemics, crashes, we kept innovating through them all. Bet on that horse. Lesson 14. Never order the special from a chef who won't eat it himself. Ask every guru, do you own this? If the answer is no, walk away. The best deals never leave the building. They are swallowed by insiders before sunrise. Apply these 14 lessons, and you won't just invest, you'll engineer a life of optionality. Which lesson hit you the hardest? Drop your number below and share this with a friend who needs it.